Hey guys, it's Jason from Ruffians. I just wanted to give some useful at-home grooming tips for you while you're in between trips to the barber shop. If you're anything like me, you've probably wearing a hat around the house a lot recently just to cover up the mess that's underneath. Let's get this hat off, we'll give my hair a quick wash, and we'll take a look at what we're working with. As you can see, my hair's been freshly washed. To keep things nice and simple, I'm going to towel dry my hair today, and as it grows out, we want to maintain a sort of looser and more natural look. Key thing to remember when towel drying your hair is not to be too rough, as that can cause damage. So you really want to be nice and nice kneading movements, nothing too rough, and we don't want to dry the hair completely, we want it to remain slightly damp. Alternatively, you can let your hair dry naturally. As you can see, my hair is now damp to dry. As the hair does get longer, you'll want to push it away from the face, keeping it sort of nicely back. And the bits that start to creep around the ear, you really want to push them back as well to keep that a bit tidier and keep them sort of away from sort of touching the top of the ear there. When I achieve a style like this, I like to use a hair cream. Today we've got the Ruffians hair cream just there. You want to add a pea-size amount to start with this. This is a product that you can build, so it's always better to be quite modest with the amount you put in your hand at first. So we've got about sort of that much there. And when applying the product, you really want to put it from back to front, just to avoid any product build up at the front and to avoid any sort of like greasiness that may come with that. So I've just worked that in there. I can see that I actually want to use a little bit more of this product. As I said, you can build that again. So I'm going to go for the same amount there, another pea-size amount. Really work that into the hands as well, so that emulsifies nicely in there. And again, just working that in from the back, working your way to the front. With this sort of style as well, you really want to steer away from a fine tooth comb because we want to be keeping that a bit sort of looser. And as you can see there, I'm starting to push this all back, starting to sort of loosely find where maybe a parting would want to sit. And you can really, with the shorter bits there, you can maybe be a little bit more aggressive in trying to really work those back. As I said, this is something you can build. So if you're looking in the mirror and you haven't quite achieved what you want, another little dab there. And really working through the hair. Nice and loosely with the fingers. Cool. So you can see now we've had a little play around with this, styled this, kept it super loose. It's really not something that you need to put sort of hours and hours of work into. And you can see here where these bits have started to sort of go back quite nicely, just keeping it neat around the ears. And as this continues to grow out, this is a really maintainable style. So something that just looks a little bit more neat and tidy while it's growing out and quite easy to achieve at home as well. So there we have it, a really nice, easy to maintain, loose and natural look for you guys to achieve at home. Everybody stay safe out there, look after yourselves, and we look forward to seeing you all when the shop reopens.